Welcome to Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. We arrive at our local grocery store today and are in need of a shopping cart. At most locations, you will need a coin or a plastic chip to push into the cart to unlock it from the group. A US quarter will also work. When you return your cart, you will receive your coin back. If you are going to the store for just a couple of items, you can also use a smaller cart once you are inside that does not require a coin. Typically, there will be a station to grab a sanitizing wipe, and it is suggested to clean your cart before entering the building. This is indicated at most stores as entrata or ingresso, meaning entrance. On your way out of the store, look for the word uscita or exit. Now let's shop. Once you enter the building, you most likely will have to sanitize your hands, and putting on gloves is optional. Our first stop today is the produce section. For produce, it is mandatory to put on gloves when handling fresh products. We are purchasing radicchio di chioggia, which is a popular Italian bitter vegetable that is commonly mistaken for lettuce or cabbage. This product goes well with a multitude of Italian dishes like risotto. Located by the scale and along the aisles, there are bags available to package the produce. Place the radicchio on the scale, type in the item number 255, and it will print a ticket to stick onto your produce bag. Some items already have price tags on them, so you do not need to worry about weighing them a second time. Milk is available in Italy in many forms similar to the States. Intero is whole milk, parzialmente scremato, meaning partially skim, which is closely related to the 2% milk, and scremato, which is your full skim milk. There are also milk substitute options like riso e coco, which is rice and coconut milk, mandorla or almond milk, soya, which is soy milk, or you can get avena, which is oat milk. If you are looking for a cream to cook with, look out for this panna fresca, which is a fresh cream for whipping and cooking. Dairy can come in a variety of sizes, brand names, and flavors. Eggs are not refrigerated in Italy, so you will see them out in the open. This is a perfectly safe way to store eggs, and you can do this at home as well. Eggs come in a combination of 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, and are mostly light brown, not white. Stop by the butcher to grab some fresh ground meat to make a traditional ragu sauce for dinner. This sauce's main ingredients are pork, beef, tomatoes, and red wine. Other meat options are readily available in this section, and specific cuts can be requested. The bakery section can vary from store to store and offer a variety of pastries, cakes, and breads. In this store, you can hook the bag to the attachment and push out the desired amount of items you would like. Make sure to wear your gloves and weigh your selection at the machine. Wine is plentiful in the grocery stores because, along with food, wine plays an important part in Italian culture. Fun fact, Veneto, Tuscany, and Piedmont are the 3 major regions in Italy that produce high-quality table wines. Beer and liquor are also available in this section. Ice is not a staple in Italy, but it does not mean you cannot find it. In the freezer section, you can purchase bags of ice that can come in cubes and crushed form. When checking out from the grocery store, you are responsible for bagging your items. If you do not have bags, you can request these disposable bags for a small cost. It is more common to bring your own bags, as this is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to bring your groceries home. If you do not have a reusable bag, most locations have them available for purchase at the checkout for about 2 to 5 euros depending on the size. We hope you feel more confident going into your local grocery store in Italy. Thank you for watching Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YIGO Italy YouTube channel. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, be sure to send it their way. Ciao for now!